now broke into Omega Sigma Theta and is trying to kill us. We must not let my dad is. You have to help us. Hello? I don't know how much longer we can rest out here without help. You gotta send cops to the sorority house on 4th Street. We're being attacked. Help!
Who the hell are you?
Maria Flores.
He does a thing like me, brand new style, 120s on the feet. And I don't do a thing for the free. All up in the ritz and we're fucking to the beat. Ice cream belly.
Commit yourself. Oh, it's my life. Don't you forget. It's my life.
My body saying let's go, but my heart is saying no.
Not be 666 with a Princess Street. I'm everywhere, I'm so Julia.
Time to play.
Tell me, is it just a dream?
Hey there!
On my chest, come a little closer, Poppy, don't fret like damn, all the boys say damn, and if you got pipe, you could be my man, all the boys say damn, all the boys say damn, and if you got pipe, you could be my man.
disco.
I just wanna dance on me, dance on me. I just wanna dance on me. I just wanna.
How did you come to be? Hey there! What the fuck? It's playtime! You can run all you want. It ain't gonna matter much longer.
I'll take my drugs, she took her drugs. I killed myself. I got all these drugs for free. Super little bitch on me. Oh my gosh, she's such a tease. I'm gonna make her fucking bleed. Promise you won't lie to me. Pretend that you can never leave. You really know.
I did. I gotcha.
Kitty, you better not be dead. If someone hits you with their car, I'll chop off their head. Motherfucking right, I'll shoot their ass, kitty. I'll put it down for your ass, you got me feeling shitty. Kitty, I'll never.
Ways to fit up, but yours a trend. To fit up, ways fit up,
Connie, are you okay? Anna, thank God you're still alive.
She likes a girl. There's a girl that she really likes.
Anna, stay with me. Leland, help me.
Connie! I thought you were dead. Gonna do this! I gotta find somebody to help. You know, I was actually kind of fond of that girl. I didn't really want to hurt her. But, as they say, family first, you know?
Surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
I'll just have to put you out of your misery.
The man is believed to be in his late 20s, has dark hair and brown eyes, and has several scars on his face and arms. Police are urging anyone with information to please come forward. Woman spent years hitchhiking from Texas to California, where she viciously murdered several truck drivers and 3 other young women along the route.
Maria, stay with me. Oh, sis. I'm here. And I'm not gonna lose you again. Maria? Is that you? Sis! Oh, I can't believe you're still alive. Please don't be Johnny. This is all my fault. You're here because of me.
stupid. I'm smarting. Stupid.
Oh, sugar. Does that hurt?
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like my days come. Give me that day. Double, double, double.